Welcome back to SG Riders. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful, stylish, and modern cruiser motorcycles ever built. The Honda Rebel 1100. This is not just a motorcycle. It is a statement of freedom, power, and pure riding emotion. The Rebel 1100 is designed for riders who want the classic cruiser feel but with modern performance and advanced technology. In this video, we will explore everything about this machine: design, engine, performance, comfort, features, and why it is becoming one of the most talked about cruisers in the USA and global motorcycle market. So stay tuned, because this bike is something special. Motorcycle design: dark, bold, and minimalistic beauty. The Honda Rebel 1100 follows a minimalist cruiser design philosophy. It is low, long, and aggressive. The blacked-out styling gives it a very dark custom bike look straight from the factory. The round LED headlight, thick front forks, and wide handlebars create a powerful road presence. This bike does not try to look flashy. Instead, it looks raw, bold, and purpose-built. The low seat height makes it very accessible for all types of riders, especially in the USA where cruiser bikes are extremely popular. Every detail of the Rebel 1100 is designed to deliver a strong emotional connection between rider and machine. Gear, engine, power of a modern beast. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine. The Honda Rebel 1100 comes with a 1084cc parallel twin engine, the same engine platform used in Honda's Africa Twin. This engine produces strong torque and smooth power delivery. It is tuned for cruising, but still offers impressive acceleration when needed. What makes it special is the perfect balance between power and control. Whether you're riding in city traffic or open highways, the engine responds smoothly and confidently. Honda has made sure this bike is not just powerful but also extremely refined. Motorway performance: smooth yet powerful ride. The Rebel 1100 is built for long highway rides and relaxed cruising. It is not a race bike, it is a comfort-focused performance cruiser. The throttle response is smooth, and the power delivery is linear, which makes it very beginner-friendly for a big bike. On highways, the bike feels extremely stable even at high speeds. The cruising ability is where this bike truly shines. You can ride for hours without feeling exhausted, thanks to its balanced ergonomics and engine tuning. For USA riders who love long road trips, this bike is a perfect companion. Comfort: built for long-distance freedom. Comfort is one of the strongest points of the Honda Rebel 1100. The seat is low and wide, giving the rider a relaxed riding position. The foot pegs are slightly forward, which reduces stress on legs during long rides. The handlebars are placed in a natural position, making it easy to control the bike without strain. Even on rough roads, the suspension system handles bumps smoothly. This makes the Rebel 1100 a perfect choice for both daily rides and long highway journeys. Light bulb technology: modern cruiser innovation. Unlike traditional cruisers, the Rebel 1100 comes with modern technology features. It includes digital LCD display, ride-by-wire throttle system, multiple riding modes, traction control system, optional dual clutch transmission, DCT. The DCT version is especially unique because it allows automatic gear shifting, making it feel like a hybrid between a scooter and a motorcycle. This modern technology makes the Rebel 1100 stand out in the cruiser segment. Fuel pump: fuel efficiency, surprisingly practical even with its big 1084cc engine. The Rebel 1100 offers decent fuel efficiency for its category. It is not designed to be a fuel saver, but it still performs efficiently for long-distance touring. This balance of power and economy makes it a practical choice for riders who want performance without extreme fuel costs. Handling and stability: confidence on every road. The Rebel 1100 offers excellent handling for a cruiser bike. The low center of gravity makes it easy to control even at low speeds. On highways, the bike feels planted and stable. Braking is strong and responsive, with ABS providing extra safety. Whether you are riding through city streets or open roads, the Rebel 1100 gives a very confident riding experience. Why it's popular in the USA: the USA market loves cruiser motorcycles, and the Honda Rebel 1100 fits perfectly into this culture. Here, why it is becoming popular: classic cruiser styling, modern engine, performance, comfortable long-distance riding, beginner-friendly big bike. Honda reliability: it gives riders the feeling of a heavyweight cruiser without being too intimidating. Fire: final verdict: is it worth it? So, is the Honda Rebel 1100 worth it? Absolutely yes. If you're looking for a bike that offers power, comfort, style, modern reliability, then this bike is one of the best choices in the cruiser category. It is a machine built for freedom, long rides, and unforgettable road experiences. Direct hit outro: SG Riders closing message. That's it for today's video on SG Riders. If you enjoyed this deep review of the Honda Rebel 1100, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more motorcycle content from around the world. We will see you in the next video. Ride safe and enjoy the road.